Hi guys, so here is the bag, and here is my eyebrow sharpeners, not sharpener, eyebrow shape. I'm going to use it. I use one hand because the other hand is too busy holding the camera. Alright. Go. Let's see how it looks. I'm so excited, you guys. I wanted this so bad. Oh, wow. Okay, stop talking. Let's focus on that. Alright. It's not too big. I think the size is perfect for me. I'm just 5'2", and as a petite person, I don't want a big backpack, you know. Is it big? No, I think it's a good size. Not too big. Okay. I think a little bright here. Let me adjust my brightness. Okay, this is perfect. So this is the true color of the bag that you see is a navy blue, classic navy blue. So I got it from Zappos. The MSRP price $145. I got it at 131 point something, that tag included, because I got $25 off from Zappos. They sent it to me, $25 off $50. So I end up purchasing the bag from Zappos instead of Vera Bradley. I also love Zappos for their shipping service. I got it within 1 day. So I ordered yesterday morning and I got it today, Friday night, which is great. So we're going to open the bag to see what's inside. Okay, so they have one front pocket. Here's, I don't think they have any compartment inside. Okay, so look nice. I love the material, very lightweight, and I think it's durable too. Let's zoom in to see the textures. Okay, you guys can see it, very beautiful. And let's open this. Okay, so it have a few compartments in here. So you got one here, three, this bigger one, this where you're gonna put the pen in here, and it had one compartment for your ID, a student ID. So it had plenty of space for the front compartment. Let's open the main compartments. Right, I'm gonna use my knees to hold the camera. Here we go. I have two hand now. Oh, not to mention, they have two places where you can put your water bottle here. Yeah, they have it on both sides. Oh, sorry guys, you see my feet. Oh, the space is huge. Look at that. Really nice. They have two mesh pocket here. Let's do it up. They have two mesh pocket here. The logo right here. And this one is where you put your earphone cords through here. So you know, it's safe to put your iPod, iPhone in here so no one can steal it. Oh, they have one compartment here. There's a zipper here. Oh, okay, I know it. This is where you put your laptop. It's huge. It's huge, very big. And it have some cushion here as well, light cushion, but I think it's enough. Okay, and they have this band. It's for when you travel, you just put the handle here so you can you don't have to carry your backpack on your back. Yes, I think that's all. Yes, it looked perfect to me. Yeah, really like it. I like the material. I like the quilt. Look very durable, guys. I love the color. So online, when you check out the website, I saw that they in the solid color they do have a dark navy, a navy blue. They have black, which is also the best selling items, and they have pink. I think I have pink, but you know, I'm old. I'm not gonna buy a pink one. So this bag, I think it's good for travel. It's lightweight, so which is a thumbs up for me. And then it had enough compartment, so it's a perfect size for traveling, and then for school as well. I think, well, I'm out of school now. Well, initially I went back to school for some classes to be eligible to sit for a CPA exam. So, but I don't really need this bag for that. So I'm mainly gonna use this bag for travel, and then maybe in future, right, it can be turned into a diaper bag. Yeah, it's a future, near future. So, with that being said, here, let's take a look at it one more time before we end this video, guys. Look at it. So pretty, classic, and pretty, and functional, I think. It have cushion here as well. Not too much, but I think it's enough. Nice. Really loved it. I'm going to keep it. Oh yeah, you know what? If you buy the backpack from their website, you have an option to put your initial here or your name here, the embroidery, to personalize your bag. I wanted to do it, but then I have a $25 off from Zappos, so why not, right? So I use it, and no personalize here. It's okay though. I save money. That's a good thing, right? Thank you guys for watching, and you have a wonderful Friday night.